www.onlinecomputerteacher.net. Welcome to Bikram Chaudhary's Photoshop learning series. You can email or phone him. Chapter 2, Tools in Photoshop, the Paint tool options, anchor point, delete anchor point, etc. Now I am showing you here, I am Bikram Chaudhary here, now drawing a shape using Paint tool. In the options bar, path is selected in the top, and drawing with Paint tool. I have taught you this in last lesson. The small circle appears at the end. What's this? Anyway, just clicking and add anchor point option selected. After clicking on the line, anchor point added and dragging. Here anchor point added and dragging, automatically it converts into direct selection tool. Now clicking the delete anchor point options, deselecting and clicking it, clicking this anchor point, it is deleted. Clicking this anchor point, you see this is deleted and straight line appears. And now I am adding another anchor point on the shape, here path not shape, and dragging it, and these are Bezier handles, and just changing the curve a little bit. Now convert anchor point. When you click on the anchor point, first deselect it, okay, then click on the line, you will see anchor point is selected, and clicking on it. After clicking, just drag it with mouse, you see two Bezier handles appears and they are separate. Using the middle, you can change the curve in two directions. This is the beauty of convert anchor point. Just see how I am changing the curve. Just using the center point, it is divided in two lines, and clicking it and dragging, just showing you how I am changing the curve using convert anchor point. Now convert anchor point is selected. It is same also with direct selection tool, but little difference. Now selected direct selection tool, you see the curve is in two direction, it is moving using direct selection tool. But in the convert point, when you select the convert point option of Paint tool, you get two separate handles. That is the beauty. And using the selection tool, I have selected the path, and now just show direct selection tool is selected. Anyway, now convert point is selected, and now changing the curve again using convert point option, just to show you how it behaves. And this is the beauty of anchor convert point option. And you see, using the center point, when I am clicking on the corner point, you see that only this part is moving. That just check the handle, it changes when the convert point appears at the end.